At Jayend, if we talk about trust, to build and maintain trust, my question is, how can organizations build and maintain trust in agentic AI-driven insight?
Yeah, see, that's a good question, right? When it comes to AI trust, first of all, it is no different from you trusting like a person, right? Like a stranger you meet, right? Like I say, when anyone talks about trust, here all we are talking about is like, the transparency, the reliability, the accountability, and of course, is it aligning with our thoughts, right? Like, we don't go and start trusting someone right away, right? Like, we just we'll see first it is aligning with our thoughts, and then, like, there is a transparent information, like a exchange, and finally we trust the person. Even when it comes to AI, that's how you will start establishing that, right? Like, so what organization will do is, first they have to build the so-called transparency within the AI system they built. When we say about transparency, it's all about, like, you capturing why that AI made that decision. What is the justification? Can it explain itself, right? Like, so it's like you telling them, hey, I want you to log all the information, why you made the decision, based on what fact, what data you used to come to that conclusion, right? Like, of course, there are a lot of tools available today, like a Sharp and Lime. These are the technology tools that help you to help and can bundle your AI agents to be more and more transparent. But it doesn't stop there. And next comes the reliability, right? Like, when someone says reliability, like, that agent, the AI agent, or the model should make the same output. It cannot hallucinate. It cannot change itself. So even a small disturbance can completely change the output of a model, right? But so how do you do this? You start training with a lot of synthetic data. You try to find out that anomalies, and then you start, like, adjusting the bias, everything. So you don't just go and put it right and have your customers trying to trust it. So you have to do by creating a lot of synthetic data and checking it. But the third important thing is accountability. It is, when you talk about AI accountability, AI is not accountable, right? Like, that the fact is, the companies or organization producing those agents, they are accountable. So it is a shared accountability, because it is the company's responsibility to produce a quality data, to create the risk-free trusted data, to feed into AI to give you the right answer, right? So it's also the accountability plays a huge role there. And last but not least, like, again, all have this to be aligned with the policies of the enterprise, right? Like, so by making all these components one by one, there will be a growing trust with AI.